This is the Pwr Drive Fit. Miters. Not easy, the miters, but the Pwr Drive Fit can help you with that. First, you have this second thread that gives power to the head that a conventional trim head screw doesn't have. Then you have this special drill point, the best tip to prevent wood splitting. All you need to do is to make sure that the unthreaded part of the screw is in the miter. And because the two threads don't have the same pitch, you will have a natural squeezing effect. That will close down the miter and keep it like that. If you build a deck, you'll have corners, and this will happen. Simply because pressure-treated wood, as it dries, will shrink. Using a couple of Pwr Drive Fit in the miter will prevent that from happening. The Pwr Drive Fit, the most innovative screw to hit the market in a long time.